I thought to myself, this is it. It is here. It has arrived. When I seen my photo booth, my flight case coming out the delivery truck, I got a little emotional inside because this is a new venture for me. And I'm very excited about this because it's like I'm going to be in a position now to capture people having fun, people living it up, laughing, dancing, vibing. I'm going to be able to capture that. And on top of that, I'm going to get compensated for being part of a good time. I mean, this is one of the primary reasons why I wanted to jump into the photo booth industry, service business, because it's a fun place to be in. The type of atmosphere, right? The environment that you are going to be in, it's like everyone's celebrating something. And I think that's a good calling for me. And on top of that, I want to create jobs. I mean, I want to create opportunities. I want people to be part of this. So, whew. Okay, so the photo booth is in. The delivery guide shares some really good, insightful information with me. And he said that, well, what is this? I've been delivering these lately. I was like, what? He said, yeah, here alone. And here, let me show you guys.
So the delivery man just told me that here in Los Angeles, he already delivered about 5 of these this night.
Three in LA.
Three in LA. So a lot of people are jumping into this business, guys.
So yeah, I guess a lot of people are jumping into the industry and it's cool. I think that it's a great industry to jump into right now. And whoever is the most creative, I think is going to come out on top. And so let's get creative, guys. Let's continue doing what we're doing. Day by day, I'm going to be sharing information with you. Right now, one of the sad things, yes, we're all going to go through situations where just lessons learned. So this case is not going to fit in my car. Yes. So I was like, oh no, crap. I didn't think of this being this large and my car not having such a large space. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to do right now. That's something that I really have to figure out because I don't know if I can go out there and just buy a van. I mean, it's a payment that I wasn't looking forward to. I thought I was just going to put my equipment in my 4-cylinder car, roll around the state and just, make new memories and new moments while growing a business. Apparently, we have an obstacle, and that's how are we going to get around? What are we going to do? Am I going to sell my existing car? Am I going to take on a larger payment and get a van? I don't know, guys. I really can't shell out extra money right now. Cars are super expensive, whether it's brand new or used. So stay tuned in because we're going to figure this out together. And next video that I'm going to put out, I want to talk about all the stuff that I'm going to be ordering because we got to order lights. We have to order props. We have to order a portable power bank for the motor just in case you're doing an event and there's no outlet close by, not even within 100 feet. You're going to have to go wireless, cableless. It's best if your lights, RGB lights, don't have any wires. It's best if they just have that built-in battery. Same thing with your motor and LED lights. Okay, so also we're gonna need a tripod for our monitor because we want to be streaming during the event so that people can walk up to the monitor, scan the QR code, and download whatever videos they want. So there's a lot to cover, guys. This is freaking fun. I stay busy, by the way. I don't know if I told you guys in the very first video I put out, but I do multiple things. I'm a dental equipment technician. I'm also an iPhone repair technician. I do swing trading in stocks. I do a little bit of everything. I stay busy. I don't like being just in one certain place for too long. So this is me now, and I hope you guys grow with me. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please subscribe, hit a like, and like I said, tell the algorithm, hey, we're homies now by subscribing and commenting below. I'll see you guys on the next one, all right? Stay blessed, stay safe, stay positive, and see how you can make this world a better place before we exit because we never know when our time is coming. So live it up. I'll see you guys. Peace out.